Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrun your competition, and of course, get more sales, get more customers. So first things first, I have a website pulled up here, and I was browsing around, and one of the things that I can suggest right off the bat is to add more content. In this case, content, I mean wording. It's very important to add relevant content, especially on the homepage, because that's the main thing that Google will take in consideration. So if you add relevant original content, including the keywords that you need to be found for, it will definitely help you to start ranking for Google searches, and I'll show you that in a second. So, and not just on the homepage, for example, let's see, replace a code or bulk for example. Let's take a look here, and adding a little more information besides the products that you have will definitely also will help you. And that will also help you to for these specific items to be found as well. Um, Other than that, if we take a look on the back end of your website, you're only being found for 91 keywords. You're getting around 7 visits a month to your website, and you have 17 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioning your website and will give you power so it can be found on Google as well. And depending on those links, it will increase your domain rating and your URL rating. But not all links are created equal, so you can have dozens and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, these will be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that you are being found for really quick. And this is one, team over first responders. Not really sure if it applies to you, what your services are, what you're trying to what your business is about, but it's 150 searches a month. You're on the second page, of course, for this keyword, and you're getting roughly 2 visits to your website from the 150. PPE LLC, not really sure if also that applies to you. It's 20 searches a month. Um, then I don't see one source. This is the name of your brand. You should be ranking number one for this as well, regardless New Jersey or not. But 10 searches a month and you're on the second page. So nothing relevant here that can actually help you. Let's take a look at the second page and see if we can find something else. This type of gloves, Mackenson, I hope I pronounced that correctly. There's 50 searches a month, and you're on the fifth page on this keyword. So not too much of PPE supplies. This is a very important one. 450 searches a month, and you're on the sixth page of this, so you're not getting advantage of this volume of searches, so you can direct that traffic to your website, and that can definitely help your business. But moving forward, if I go to Google and do PPE equipment for sale, for example, you're gonna see here this is being picked from. This is an ad from Google. You pay to be there as well. Um, then you have your traditional Google Ads. This is also you pay every time somebody clicks on it. You got your Amazon here, of course. Then you have the map section. And regardless your location, because I'm not specifying here where I'm trying to find them, but since you are on online store, you definitely need to be here. You want to be here because being in this top three and being in this top three of these organic results will definitely increase the amount of traffic to your website and increase the potential buyers. So, for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search don't even pass this top three and this top three over here. That means that they don't go all the way down and not even to the second or third page. So, there's a lot of opportunity that can be missing here. So, for the purpose of the video, I went and pull out this guy's website and compare it to you. I know it's not the same, but it's just as a point of reference. what do you need to do? Why they're targeting? Why they're ranking #1? You can see that they have a little more of content here on the first page. Oops, sorry. And they have a lot of anchor text here, which is probably helping them a lot. And it definitely has more than you do on the home page. And if they have more pages, even though the menu something that doesn't look quite appealing, but they have more pages over here and more information. So that is helping them a lot. And if we go back to the let's see the back end of their website, they're being found for over 15,000 keywords, which is bringing them around 10,000 visits a month to their website, which is quite a lot. And you can see that they have over 46,000 backlinks, and these numbers are quite high. So all this combined is helping them to actually rank on #1. So something to take in consideration if you want to take part of this, if you're going to compete again, not directly with them, but for the product that you sell and the connection that you try to do from buyers and sellers, definitely will help you out. Other than that, I don't want to take too much of your time. So uh, if you have any questions, if you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. Feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon.